Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be talking about my shopping experience from Notebook Therapy and also to unbox my new product from Notebook Therapy's new collection Moonlit Spills. Well, I want to share this experience because I think most of my viewers need to know few things so they can prepare themselves before shopping overseas. And I hope my video may help you. First, your personal information like your name, your address, like your basic information, and payment proceed thing, which is second thing. You need to purchase them before ordering. And third, order confirmation, which means they will confirm your order through their email and also from the website. But my giant request is to keep an eye on your email, because one day later they sent me this email. So if you by chance get this kind of email, kindly provide one among this, only among this. Then after 2 to 3 days they will again confirm your order, and after one day they will give you the parcel tracking app. I mean what I'm saying, tracking link. You can use Parcels app the way I'm using, but I prefer to use websites like this because they can give you right information more than an application can do. Okay, so let's unbox. Sorry, my video ain't that satisfying, but I really tried my best. Well, about my experience, well, I got to know their shop when I was, I'm in a journal community like others, so this shop is too much famous. They also ships worldwide, so I thought to buy one collection from them. Then I saw their offer and saw the new collection, which is this Moonlit Spill, and I totally fell in love with it. So I thought to buy one, and the one I ordered is actually original size, probably 128 pages. I didn't chose A5 or B4, I guess, but the one I chose is also perfect for me because I use this kind of notebooks, this size notebooks for my journal. Well, check out the cover and check out the edges. They are so holographic. I really fell in love with this thing mainly. I mean, just look at the notebook. It feels like there's a hidden magic inside this notebook. If you open it, something magical will come out. Oops, here is the freebie. You know what is it? And ain't it pretty? And yeah, it's their business card. Okay, I actually tried to show the holographic effect, which is unable to show in here, but the edges holographic pages, which I can show just for now. And I also want to show one thing. This is the notebook I usually use, and it's A5, I guess. I'm not sure what size it is, but see, only one dotted line will be missed if I use this new notebook. So I want to say it doesn't make any difference whether you buy A5 or original pages short notebooks, and I'm so satisfied with it. So I want to say, if you order original size, you won't regret. Even if you buy A5 size, it doesn't make any difference at all. And I know my voice is a crack and I'm literally breaking every single person's ear right now. Oh, by the way, I'm showing this bookmark thing because it's glittered and absolutely so aesthetic. Actually, everything about this notebook is really aesthetic, and on the top of that, it's holographic, so why not? And I will prefer to this notebook to every single journalist because it's a great choice for now. And look at the holographic effect. This is what I'm trying to show you. Look at this holographic effect. They're so satisfying and so magical, like I can't describe. I literally can't describe. Look at the edges, so aesthetic, so satisfying. I don't know how can I describe the beauty of this notebook. Even the last corner of these pages and the back is also aesthetic. Everything about this notebook is aesthetic. Oh, one thing I want to show you. When you open this notebook, you will see this thing. Only this. I really found those symbols aesthetic: a moth, a moonlight, and a random herb, and their shop's name. And I made this slow motion because I made this clip too much speedy, so I thought to slow down. Under the moonlight glow brightens my heart plus soul. Its secret only this book shall know. This line really soothes the entire spirit of mine. And yeah, that's the look. As I said, everything is aesthetic about this notebook, so I recommend this notebook for everyone. And yeah, don't mind those background sounds like bursting sound, laughter sound. I am in a desi country, so yeah. Thanks for watching and do subscribe my channel.